In this video, we'll explore the powerful world of AutoHotkey, a versatile scripting language that allows you to automate repetitive tasks and enhance your productivity on Windows OS. Consider a common use case. You want to streamline your workflow by quickly accessing your favorite website using a keyboard shortcut. This can significantly enhance efficiency by reducing the time spent navigating through your browser. To accomplish this, we can utilize AutoHotkey to create a straightforward script that assigns a specific keyboard combination to open the desired URL. After saving the script, you can run it by simply double-clicking the file in your File Explorer. This action will activate the script, and you should see a green H icon appear in your system tray, indicating that AutoHotkey is running. In this case, pressing the Alt key along with the tilde key will allow you to quickly access your intended website without having to navigate through bookmarks or type the URL manually. Another AutoHotkey script that seamlessly integrates into my workflow is one that I find particularly useful for managing my Windows efficiently. If you're interested in exploring this further, you can follow the link to the blog post in the description. What I appreciate most about this script is its intuitive design. By holding down the Ctrl, Alt, and Windows keys, I can easily manipulate the position of the active window using the keys surrounding the K key. For example, when I press the combination Ctrl, Alt, Windows, J, the active window instantly shifts to the left half of the screen. We encourage you to take advantage of our dedicated sheet for documenting your keyboard shortcuts. This resource allows you to record both your custom shortcuts and the default definitions, making it easier to keep track of your workflow enhancements. Be sure to check the links in the description for more resources that can further assist you. We truly appreciate you watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.